welcome back to my channel. You're welcome. So guys, today's video is straight to the point. This beautiful unit, this gorgeous hair is from Alipearl. Second time working with the brand. If you don't know, Alipearl, their wig is the first wig I've ever reviewed on YouTube, and the wig that video did so well. And when they said, like, they messaged me they were going to send me another hair, I was so happy because I enjoy working with the brand. Their hairs are like top notch. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this unit they sent to me. This is a 16 inches body wave 5x5 closure wig, completely glueless. Let me show you, because most of you are doubting Thomas. Doubting Thomas is on this channel, I know. So guys, this is it. This unit is in a size small. The cap is size small because your baby girl has a small head. I'm very sure you guys are tired of hearing that already, but what can I do? This unit is 16 inches by the way, 16 inches, and you can see the coils. It came pre-plucked, it came pre-styled, and I did not so much on this wig. So more reason why you need to watch this video till the end. So watch guys, watch, please watch and enjoy this video. This was the cute box my wig came in, and this is me unboxing my wig from Alipearl. Guys, really the packaging is like top notch. I really love like how the package came. We have 3D lashes. Thank you so much Alipearl for this. And they also sent me a mirror. This mirror can go in my handbag and it looks so cute. And they also sent me this HD cap, wig cap for wig installation. It's two pieces in it, and we have the elastic band and also the edge brush to brush my edges. We also have this satin bag. Thank you so much Alipearl. It's reusable and it helps my wig stay well with no issues at all. So guys, this is the unit we're working with today. Here it is, my wig, my luxurious wig from Alipearl. Let's take a look at this wig construction. You can see the lace, it's invisible, correct HD lace. And this is the texture of this wig. This is the coils, looking all bouncy and nice. And this is what inside the wig looks like. You can see it came with elastic band for extra security, and also we have the combs for security too. And we also have the extra straps. You can see the two straps by the side, and this is the full look of this wig. You can see how it melts with my skin. Well, I'm wearing this wig straight out of the box to see what the unit looks like on me and see what we need to do and what we don't need to do, because we don't need to do a lot of things. This wig already came pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and I do not think I'll be using any melting spray or even glue on this wig, because this unit looks really nice already. So I'm just gonna cut the lace. This is not gonna take so much time because the lace is very short and I can see exactly where to cut because the lace is very clear. Original HD lace. use my makeup products to blend the lace with my skin tone, because you know my forehead is a bit dark and I just want it to look very natural and blend very well with my skin tone. That's it. No melting spray, no glue, absolutely nothing, girl. Honestly, this is just it, because anything I'm coming to do now is just bebeto. I don't know if you understand what bebeto means. It's just extra, because I mean, I just had to cut the lace and blended the lace with my skin, and that is it. I've not even combed the coils out, and you can see that this unit has a very nice texture and retains the coils. This is the coils that came with this wig. This is how this wig came. I did not use any tonguing machine. I did not comb. I didn't, absolutely nothing, and this wig is looking this nice, this cute. Also, did any of you notice the hairline, the pre-plucked hairline? Flawless blending. See it, the blending is flawless. No plucking. I don't need to plug anything. It came pre-plucked, it came pre-styled. No baby hair needed. I mean, we're big girls here, we're not doing any baby hair. And so you guys can also see it's completely glueless. See it, the knot is invisible. It has small knots, making the wig, like the knots, very invisible. No bleaching, no foundation. Matches with my skin tone. Natural and invisible. This wig deserves a 10 over 10. Believe me. And it's the second time I'm working with Alipearl. Alipearl is actually the first hair brand I ever reviewed. Like, their wig is the first wig I ever reviewed on YouTube, and I mean, they keep giving me the best, and I have to bring it to you guys, because you guys deserve the best, and only the best. Honestly, they are real HD lace and they are fake HD lace, because there's nothing you're telling me this HD lace is real. Like, it's real to the core. Now let me tell you, let me give you these tips. How do you know a real HD lace? Number one, the skin melts. You can see how this lace melts with my skin. You can see the HD lace. It's HD. And another thing you need to know is the fact that this lace is thin. It's very thin, and it's very undetectable. You can, I don't even need to say much. You can see from the lace. The lace is lacing, seamless, natural, and blending with my skin. And I actually feel this lace can blend and melt to any skin tone, because I'm not light, I'm not dark, but the fact that I did not do anything much means that no matter your skin color, this wig and the lace actually can work with any skin color. I mean, it's Alipearl or nothing. So let's not prolong this video or make this video any longer. I'm going to comb these coils out so we can see the final look, the final feel, and how far or how long these coils would last, because it's more than 15 minutes and this coils is not going anywhere. It's still there very much. But I'm going to comb this out. Let's experiment. Let's see what these coils would look like when you comb or you brush. I'm going to run my fingers in as much as I really do not want to do this, but we need to test, we need to try and experiment. So I'm here to drag and comb my coils so that you, when you want to install your own, you know if you want to comb yours or you would like yours to be like this. But well, I mean, this is what I'm here for. I'm here for you, okay? So we're going to comb these coils out. Fingers crossed that this still looks good, but I know it's going to look good. It's Alipearl. So let's do this. In as much as I don't want to. Oh, wow. Really? Wait. I'm getting this. This is really nice. Like, are you seeing how are you seeing how the coils is still, it's bouncing? And see, no atom of hair. It's not shredding, it's not falling, nothing. Okay. I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm getting. Wow, this is nice. There's something I like doing with my wigs. This thing, I don't know, like wow. So this side is, I don't know, coming up. I'm going to use a bit of my hot comb to put it in place. So here is the coils after combing it or brushing it. No shredding, absolutely nothing like that. The wig is still looking nice. The coils and the bounce is still there, so you don't have anything to worry about. I've taken the bullets for you. Okay, so lest I forget, further details on this wig is going to be in my description box. Discount codes, so whatever you need to know about this wig is going to be in my description box, and also the links to other hairs that Alipearl has. And this particular wig is 16 inches body width, 5x5 lace closure wig, and my cap is small because the baby girl has a small head. What can I do? So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I hope you're going to subscribe. I hope you're going to shop this week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day.